Babe, I'm gonna take the elevator down here. I let Migo, my stylist, the stylist of the star. Come on, baby, let's go, let's go, let's go.
What is this? Get off of me.
Babe, come on now.
Right.
Migo.
Hello.
Migo.
Love that stylist.
Look what we got going on in here.
Everything going on. Everything.
Why the entire house has to be a closet or a store? It's like a boutique in here.
We giving the ass the blues.
My God.
The blues. Slow it down. Where you in a rush to get to?
Hello, Snapchat. How y'all doing today on this, what's today, Thursday? I don't really know the days of the week. Sorry. It's Christmas every day in our house.
Every day.
Our stylist comes here and she brings all this clothes. It has to stop. Maybe always dancing.
Clothes are dancing.
Food and clothes, he dancing. Good afternoon. How y'all doing?
Y'all doing?
You doing good?
Doing great.
Yeah. Teamwork. No, baby.
Right here. I got birds in my damn chimney. You hear them? I love them. They're my guys. The little babies. They so loud.
They in the chimney. The baby's lunch today, it's turkey breast with corn and black beans and salad. Mmm.